So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can search for the files that are greater than 1 GB directly in your file explorer using a shortcut search method. Now, in order to do it, just simply open your this PC. Inside this PC, you need to search for. Let me quickly open this PC. Inside this PC, you simply need to under this search option here, you'll see that says search this PC. Here you need to type for size colon greater than the sign of greater than that will look something like this, and here you need to type 1 GB. Once you do it, you'll notice that all the files that are on your system that are greater than 1 GB will start to appear right here. Here you'll notice that the size of the videos, the size of the files are going to be written over here. So by this method, you can easily search for the files with uh, specific size. Like for example, if I type 2 here, so the files that are greater than 2 GB will only appear in the search. So you can use this trick. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.